If your videos are stuck at 0 views, if you're posting shorts or long form and still getting no traction, you're probably making the same mistake I made. There are 5 hidden settings that YouTube doesn't tell you about, but if you get even one of them wrong, your entire channel could stay invisible. I used to be there, 0 views, 0 watch time, no hope, but then I changed several crucial settings and everything flipped. I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. My channel is called Smart Hands. In the past, I uploaded content I believed in, high quality, edited, optimized, but nothing worked. No views, no clicks, no hope. I almost gave up. But then I decided to stop guessing and start testing. I spent hours digging into YouTube Studio, reading forums, watching insider interviews, and I found a pattern, a combination of settings that almost every successful channel was using, and most beginners weren't. So I tried it. I applied all 5 changes, uploaded a video, thousands of views. Now my channel is finally growing, and even my brand new Shorts channel is scaling like crazy. I want the same for you, so take 5 minutes and listen carefully, because each step builds on the next. First setting is Made for Kids. Just go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Advanced. You'll see this. Is your channel made for kids? Here's the truth. Unless you're creating nursery rhymes or toy unboxings, set this to no, because if it's set to yes, or even if you're reviewing it video by video, YouTube might push your content into the YouTube Kids platform. And that's like getting kicked out of the cool party and sent to the kiddie table. No recommendations, no homepage traffic, no trending. Your video basically disappears like your socks in the washing machine. Once, I uploaded a video and clicked yes by mistake. It flopped harder than my gym attendance in January. Harder than a penguin trying to fly. Choose that no button and protect your content like it's your last slice of pizza. And that was the first domino. But then I discovered something newer and scarier. Scarier than opening your front camera by accident. Setting number 2, altered content. YouTube just dropped a shiny new AI-related flag, and if you skip this, your video might get ghosted harder than me after I said I love you in a group chat. When you're uploading a video, scroll down and hit show more. There it is. Is this altered or synthetic content? Now, if you click yes, you're basically telling YouTube, hey YouTube, I'm a robot from 3025. Please launch my video into the void. No joke, I tested it. When I clicked yes, my views flatlined faster than my grades after discovering Netflix. When I clicked no, the same video started showing up in browse and suggested. Here's the real kicker. This setting is especially harsh on Shorts, where YouTube is flooded with AI content, but it's creeping into long form too, especially if you use stock footage, AI voices, faceless scripts, aka 90% of us trying to build a YouTube empire from our bedroom, right? So unless your video is faking real world people or events, click no. Before we get into the most crucial settings that literally changed my channel overnight and gave me crazy results, here's something I never thought would make such a massive difference. I had the perfect YouTube strategy, the right settings, the catchy hooks, but still, I was stuck editing shorts manually for hours. At this point, my timeline had seen more of me than my family. Then I found Clippy AI. Everything changed. This tool is a total game changer for creators. It can auto-create viral shorts in trending formats like fake text convos, Reddit-style stories, split-screen videos, even top 5 ranking shorts that are blowing up right now. No more editing at 2 AM asking why did I choose this life. You just upload, name your video, and Clippy does the rest. So if you're serious about shorts, the link's in the description. And yes, you can test it for free, no excuses. Big thanks for Clippy for sponsoring this video. Setting number 3, playlist strategy for suggested domination. You ever notice when you're watching a video and every single suggestion on the side is from the same creator? That's not luck. It's planned. So here's exactly how you do it. Go into YouTube Studio, create new playlist. Name it something that makes people want to click. Something like Secret Growth Tactics that got me millions of views. Or, honestly, how I survived editing 200 shorts without crying. Yeah, that's my life right now. Next, add your best videos to that playlist. Videos that actually relate, not like me and my ex. Set it to public, copy the playlist link, and now here comes the ninja move. Drop that link in your video description and as a pinned comment. But wait, don't just throw the playlist there like it's trash. Be smarter than me on a diet. Go into one video from that playlist, click share, get a time-stamped link. This way, viewers land on a specific video inside the playlist, and then YouTube starts recommending your other videos like crazy. It's like trapping them in your content loop. That's how you create binge sessions. But hold up, we're just getting started. Next, I'll show you how to make YouTube recommend your next video before the current one even ends. Stay with me. Setting number 4, end screen funnel. Okay, this one's simple but super powerful. Inside every video, hit that little end screen button. And now, what do most creators do? They slap a subscribe button and call it a day. But you're smarter now. You're thinking like a pro. Instead of just subscribe, select playlist. Pick the same playlist you just made. Why? Because the first video in the playlist becomes the one that shows up on your end screen. That thumbnail, and when they click, bam, the next one autoplays. It's like setting up a trap, but the kind YouTube actually loves. You turn one viewer into 4 views in one sitting. More watch time, more recommendations. But hold on, here's the catch. The end screen, it only shows up in the last 20 seconds. And let's be honest, most people don't even make it that far. They dip faster than me when I see my ex at the mall. So what do? I got you. We'll fix that in the next step. But first, why this all works. YouTube isn't looking for just good videos. It's looking for content that's sticky. Content that keeps people watching. These 5 settings, they scream to YouTube, yo, this is human content. This creator, promote them. These viewers, they ain't leaving, they're binging. That's how I went from 0 views to thousands. Bonus time, wanna learn more hacks?
Subscribe to my channel.
Tips for free. Yeah, I said it, for freaking free. And no, I won't try to sell you a $997 course after 3 days, probably. Setting number 5, cards that trigger curiosity. Alright, you made a fire video, but people are still dropping off early, right? Yeah, that's because you're not using cards the right way. So here's what you do. Go right below your end screen settings and click on the cards. Now, listen closely. At the 10-second mark, add a playlist card. Not just any playlist. Use that same banger playlist you made earlier. Why 10 seconds? Because most viewers are already getting ready to click away by 15. You have to hit them before their brain even whispers next. We're not giving them options. We're building a tunnel that keeps them locked into your world. That's trap number 1. Now fast forward to the middle of the video. Things are heating up. They're engaged. This is when you drop a channel card. If you've got another channel, this is your moment. Slide that thing in like a secret weapon. In my case, I use this to promote my editor's Yaxia Edit channel. And no joke, it is so useful weapon. But here's the real source. Don't just use boring text like check this out. Please don't. Use teaser lines that spark raw curiosity. Don't miss this editing tricks channel or edit like a pro with CapCut effortlessly. These aren't just suggestions. They're traps for the curious brain. And let's be honest, we're all curious creatures. Every time someone clicks, they stay in your other world. They go deeper. And YouTube sees that. It sees them watching longer, clicking more, looping harder. And what does that mean? Algorithm love. Now real talk. You've probably posted videos that got 0 traction. They just sat there, flatlined, dead. That stops today. Because these 5 settings, they're not just tweaks, they're weapons. They're the stuff that big creators use quietly. So try them, test them, experiment with them. And when you start seeing the shift from 10 views to 100, from 100 to 10,000 and beyond, come back, drop a comment, say, Felixy AI, I made it. YouTube is easy now. I'll see it, and I'll know you're one of the few who gets it. I'm Felixy AI, and I'm on a mission to help small creators finally win in this noisy world of YouTube growth and algorithms. If you learned even one thing today, smash that like button. And if you're serious about growing fast, subscribe with notifications, because in the next video, we're going to learn about something special. See you there.